What is a blockchain? Imagine this. You sell bananas, buy apples, and write it all in a notebook. That notebook is called a ledger. But what if it gets lost or someone changes it? Then your records are gone. That's how old systems work. Even today, banks keep ledgers, but they control them. You have to trust they won't mess things up. Now picture this. What if that notebook was copied to thousands of people, and every time you made a deal, everyone updated it together? That's blockchain, a shared system where everyone sees the same record. No one can secretly change it. Once written, it stays forever. That's why Bitcoin used it. No banks needed. But it's not just for money. Blockchain helps with voting, health records, contracts, even digital art. It's like adding a truth button to the internet. So, what is blockchain? A new way to record, share, and protect info, where no one cheats and everyone agrees. Follow 1M Block for more.